Welcome back. Now, the frontal system is now stationary across the Western Caribbean. Just north of the area, we can see clouds, showers and thunderstorms affecting the Jamaica area. We did have some shower activity affect most of the island today. It's spreading across the Central and Western Caribbean as well, with cloudy conditions being maintained from the passage of that stationary front. Across the Eastern Caribbean, we do have some weak clouds, but we're not seeing the significant shower and thunderstorm development that we have been noticing along the boundary of this frontal system as it extends across the central and western portions of the Caribbean. Now, in our forecast for tonight, we are expecting cloudy conditions, and there are a few thunderstorms which are lingering across sections of northern parishes. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius. In Kingston, we expect temperatures to drop to 22 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay, and we have 10-knot winds from the northeast across both coasts for inshore areas. Now, the forecast for tomorrow morning has some lingering shower activity, but we are expecting cloudy conditions to persist through most of the area. In the afternoon, you can expect more of those clouds, showers, and a few thunderstorms are also expected. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 28 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Partly cloudy conditions persist across most of the area for tomorrow. That's Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, also in Maypen, Mandeville, Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay, and Falmouth. Further west, we do have partly cloudy conditions also expected across St. Anne's Bay. We're expecting some isolated showers across inland areas of eastern parishes. That's in Richmond and in Moortown. Now, the next few days, we are expecting isolated showers across the area Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.